Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Olumide and today I'm going to dive into a hot topic that I believe that many of you have been waiting for, and that is top 5 non-technical crypto jobs and how to land one in 2024. Something you need to have in mind is that you don't need to be a tech guru or crypto guru or have background in computer science for you to land a job in the crypto industry. What you need is to be passionate about the crypto and blockchain industry. And trust me, these jobs are not just interesting, they are also very lucrative. So in today's video, I'm going to break down 5 in-demand non-technical roles in the crypto industry. I will explain what each job entails, the skills you will need, and of course, how you can start landing one of these jobs in 2024 and make money from it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Now, the first role on my list is the crypto marketing manager. And why is this role important? You see, in the crypto industry, there are a lot of projects and there are a lot of products that are being shown out by crypto startup and decentralized finance. Now, you as a crypto marketing manager is responsible for promoting blockchain projects, driving awareness to this project, and building brand trust. Okay, so you'll be managing online campaigns, social media, and forming partnership. Think of it as a blend of a traditional marketing where you sell your normal traditional Nigerian goods to someone, ensure that they buy the product or stay using the product with some crypto specific strategies like managing token airdrops, influencer collaboration, community management on platforms like Twitter and Discord. So that is basically what you'll be doing as a crypto marketing manager. So what are the tips that I can give you for this job? You need a solid understanding of the crypto industry. That is why at the beginning I said you need to be passionate about the crypto or blockchain industry. Secondly, you need to master social media platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord because these particular three are mostly used in the crypto industry, to get through to a large audience. You need to be comfortable analyzing campaign performance on platforms like Google Analytics. So how do you get started? First of all, you need to have a background in marketing or you've been marketing some products, okay? Basically before. So you can start by engaging yourself in the crypto space by you taking courses on marketing, and you can join blockchain communities and start learning how these projects promote themselves. How this project promotes themselves. You can also take courses on crypto marketing on platforms like Udemy and Coursera, and you can also choose specific modules that are tailored towards blockchain marketing. These are the things you need to do to get yourself a crypto marketing manager role in 2024. The second one is content writing or journalists. And these people create content that educates and engage audience. They tell the audience about what is happening in the crypto industry, new innovations with blockchain, giving us news on basically anything that has to do with crypto updates and all those things. Okay, they can even create YouTube scripts like this one that I'm doing. Now, content writers in crypto are responsible for explaining complex blockchain topics in a way that is digestible and accessible to the public using simple English. They write about launches, project updates, regulatory changes, and a lot more. Content writers in the crypto industry are responsible for explaining complex blockchain projects in a way that is easily digestible for the public. They are in charge of media literacy that explains to the audience, crypto launches, blockchain updates, regulatory changes, and maybe if there is news on a new airdrop currently. If you want to lean more towards journalism, it's a growing demand. Investigative journalists, they cover latest trends, scams, market insights, highlights, basically anything that has to do with the crypto industry that people need to know about. But for you to excel in this job, you need three things. The first one is you need to have an excellent writing and research skill, your ability to carry out research, and your ability to explain these things in simple forms. Now, two, you need to stay up to date with crypto markets and the news, okay? Because you need to explain what is going on, give the people the gist as soon as it drops. And lastly, you need to learn how to write in both technical and non-technical tones, depending on your audience, okay? Explaining charts in such a way that they can easily understand. So to break into this field, first you need to start by publishing articles on Medium or LinkedIn about trending topics. You need to build a portfolio that shows that you can break down these complex ideas into simple, digestible forms for beginners and as well as experts. So networking is also key. Don't forget that. You need to connect with crypto startups. You need to connect with PR agencies and editors in the crypto focused publications like maybe CoinDesk, Decrypt, Crypto Times, and the likes. So that is how you do it if you are looking into content writing or being a journalist in the crypto sector. The third on my list is the community manager role, and I call them the heroes of crypto community. And this is why you say these people are the bridge between project teams and their audience. They make sure that everyone is on the same page and they ensure that there's a positive and engaging audience because you need an engaging community for a particular crypto project or a crypto product to grow. Now, a crypto community manager is everything, whether on Discord, on Telegram, on Reddit, or Twitter. Crypto managers are there to answer questions and engage events like AMAs, Ask Me Anything, moderate discussions, and handle crisis communication when necessary. These people are the lifeblood of an organization. See it as a customer relation role where you engage with your customers and ensure that everything goes smoothly with them because the truth is your customers are important for your organization and your product to grow. So this is the job of a community manager when it comes to using many of these applications. However, there are some skills that you need for you to excel in this role. First, you need a strong communication skill and empathy for user concern. You need to be able to put yourself in their shoes and communicate effectively. Secondly, you need to understand many of the crypto jargon and blockchain concepts. You cannot engage an audience when you don't have a good knowledge of a product that you are trying to walk them through. Okay, you need to understand the project that you are handling. Three, you need an experience in moderating online forums or social media communities. So for you to learn this role, I would advise that you first of all join active communities yourself. Get involved in some of these conversations. Look at how these conversations are carried out, how they are done. Learn how these communities function and offer to volunteer as a moderator for smaller projects, which from there you can build your resume. From there you can build your acumen and also get a good paying job in 2024. The fourth one on my list is the crypto compliance officer role. And the truth is that because crypto is still relatively new and governments are introducing policies and regulations, the demand for crypto compliance officer is skyrocketing. And here is why. These professionals are there to ensure that blockchain companies comply with legal requirements such as anti-money laundering, know your customer, and many others. Now, for you to transition into this particular role, you need to have a legal background or experience working with a traditional finance, either a bank or any other financial institution out there. And what you'll be doing is that you'll be reviewing contracts, ensuring that the project tokenomics of these crypto organizations adhere to legal standards. And you keep the company updated on new regulations so as to ensure that they are not backlashed by government. There are some skills that you need for you to excel in this role. One of them is that you need to have a strong understanding of legal framework, especially in finance. Secondly, you need to be familiar with crypto regulations such as FATF guidelines, MiCA, or SEC. And the third one is that you need to pay attention to details and risk management. So to break into this field, you need to develop a deep understanding of the legal aspects of the crypto technology. And you need to start by taking online courses on blockchain law and even applying for entry jobs in crypto focused law firms to give you an edge in the industry. Don't forget that, like I said, you need to have a basic knowledge of law to help you understand this role and how to navigate this role effectively. Now, the last on my list is the crypto recruiter, or something we call HR. The HR is a specialist, and as the crypto space grows, so does the demand for specialists to work in many of these crypto organizations. So there is high demand for HR or crypto recruiters to employ the best to help fill both the technical and non-technical roles. And that is where you come in. Now, as a crypto recruiter, you're responsible for sourcing talent, conducting interviews, and ensuring that the people that are being hired are good fit for these companies. You will need to understand the type of roles the company is in need of and what they are hiring for, whether they are developers, marketers, community managers, writers, whichever one it is that you feel that they are good fits, and then you go ahead to find this talent. Now, what are the skills that you need for you to excel? One is you need people skills. You need to know how to connect with candidates and how to assess if they are fit for a particular role. Two, you need to understand crypto rules. Even if you don't have the technical skills, there is need for you to understand both technical and non-technical rules for you to be able to judge if a particular candidate is good for that particular role. The third one is networking. You see, the crypto space is all about who you know, either you like it or not. It's about building strong professionals in the crypto industry. And the truth is, the crypto industry is filled with a lot of professionals. And you, as a person, want to ensure that you connect with the big shots and you help these big shots get those who are fit to work for them. So, if you're already an HR or you are recruiting or you want to transition into the crypto space to be a recruiter, it is very straightforward. So, you can start by learning about the specific roles crypto companies need, and use LinkedIn and other job boards to familiarize yourself with the types of candidates that they are looking for. You can even specialize by focusing on hiring for DeFi, NFT, or specific blockchain projects. And there you have the five non-technical skills that I have for 2024. Now let's look at how you can get many of these jobs in 2024. Now, for you to get many of these jobs, I recommend five things for you to do. And the first one is you need to join crypto communities. Now, you need to get active in online communities, whether it is Discord, Telegram, or Twitter. This is where you meet people, learn about projects, and discover job opportunities. You can even make use of LinkedIn, but these are job boards. I'm talking about communities that you can meet a lot of people, connect with them, and they can let you know if there are jobs available. Two, you need to take online courses. You see, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning offer great courses on blockchain and cryptocurrency. The basics that these courses offer can just be what you need to put you ahead of the competition. The third one is you need a portfolio. I cannot overemphasize the need of a portfolio. So whether you're a writer, a marketer, a project manager, a crypto community manager, having a portfolio of work related to cryptocurrency is key. So you can start with personal projects and freelance gigs or volunteer in crypto communities. The fourth one is use crypto job boards. Crypto job boards like Crypto Job List, Angel List, Remote OK, LinkedIn, and many more can be used to find non-technical roles that match your skills. You can use all of these job boards to look for jobs that actually match your skills and get yourself a job in 2024. And lastly, stay updated. Crypto is constantly evolving, and to make sure that you follow the latest trend and news, websites like Crypto Times, CoinDesk, The Block can help you stay informed of the changes or developments in the crypto community, and how you can position yourself for many of the opportunities that these changes bring to the crypto workforce. And that is all I have for you on top 5 non-technical skills and how to get many of these jobs in 2024. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if it is helpful to you, kindly like, share, and subscribe so you can keep getting information on how to get jobs and basically anything on crypto industry.